Hey everyone, it's Linux Geek Lab. Want to impress your friends with instant weather forecasts? In this video, we'll write a Python script in just 5 minutes to grab real-time weather data for any city. First, let's create our magic workspace. Open up your terminal or command prompt and type this. This creates a new file called weather.py using the Nano text editor. It's where we'll write our weather controlling code. First, we need a tool to talk to the internet. It's called requests. Head over to openweathermap.org and grab a free API key. It's like a password that lets us access their treasure trove of weather data. Keep it safe. This is where the magic happens. We craft a special message to the weather gods. This tells the gods where to look city, country, and uses your secret key. Cool, right? Now, tell our script where to cast its weather spell. Just type the city and country code when you run the script. Boom, you're guiding the spell. The endpoint tells the weather API where to look city, country using your secret key, like a magic address pointing to your desired data. Time to ask the API for weather data. Think of it like sending a text message. We get a response containing the weather details. If the response is good, we extract the temperature in Kelvin, convert it to Celsius, and grab the weather description. If not, we show an error message. Make sure to save your magical script for future use. In Nano, press Ctrl+O and hit Enter to save the file. Then, exit Nano gracefully by pressing Ctrl+X. Alright, Weather Wizard, it's time to see your creation in action. Now, open your terminal and type Python weather.py and press Enter. Let's test your script around the globe. Try these locations and see what weather awaits. Boom! Weather Wizard unlocked. Full code in the description. Just swap your API key. Like, share, subscribe for more coding magic. Happy coding!